Sam, burp. He burped. Sorry, it's not focusing.
Stop.
Focus camera.
Oh, look at the face.
Look at that face. Burp. I'll burp him right here. Move your hand.
I think he's trying to go.
He's trying to go poo-poos. He's trying to poop.
That's his going hard face.
He's going potty. Bye.